What's up again, people? Big up on yourself. I don't know, got a video from L.A. Lewis. And L.A. Lewis, I read up this man now. We find dôlly in him fridge with needle in it. And the man find be a spider web in him car. I say, boy, all if him just clean out and come back, I'll be a spider web appear back. So people, check out that one there. I don't know, I read up there. I'm blessed upon yourself. Peace.
Servo L.A. Lewis, the social network god. I'm the biggest thing ever on social network. And anybody who says a lie, try prove it. Google it and you'll find out. Greetings, Scholar.
Greetings, Empire. Big up yourself, man.
We shall have you pick the way one.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. I want to read in there call about still.
Yeah, but Mickey has got the insect them so bun. And me they talk some history and some things. Give me a name, what your name?
Yeah, man, Kevin, man.
Kevin, what your date of birth?
Kevin Palmer.
Kevin what?
Kevin Palmer.
Lord gosh, a powerful name that big up Adija Palmer. I wonder if you can cartel a family.
No, we don't think so.
Yeah, man, most of the Palmer, them are family still, man. Yes, and, so you're really go easy because your name Palmer, because Palmer come through bloodline. Anyway, Kevin Palmer, listen me. Here's a man, you laugh too much. So them use it for your weakness. You hear my friend?
Alright, sir.
Listen from that. Otherwise, I'm that you're kind. Listen me. Here's a man, you chop a lot. Here's a hustler, you're a straight hustler. But you are going now. Of lately, your money thing slow down. It used to go on good, then it slow down, then it go on good, then it slow down. It's like you can't do nothing for prosper. Wrong and right, Palmer?
Sure, man.
Alright. When you know Palmer, most of the people them run a fake. You understand? You understand? Alright. Otherwise, that more time you have a headache will come and it go for you. How long the headache they come now, Palmer?
About 2,000, a long time.
No, you see no matter what kind of pill you take, it just come back for you. And a headache you have, Palmer. I slap you. You understand? But you see true, you just, I remember you know, you're a spiritual boy too, you know?
Yeah, man.
Them can't slow you down, Palmer. Them can't stop your Palmer, but you know what? Them keep on doing slow you down, my bros.
For real, man. For real.
So, me sister, you have a death in the family, you know what? You who dead?
One year. Oh, I want to be auntie now.
Yes, man. Me sister, you have a death in the family. Because you see the crystal ball me looking at. You understand? See there? We shall have it. Tomasha Manisha. See there? With the crown pan it, don't ramp with the Palmer. So listen me now, Palmer. Me see you say some people owe you money, but them don't want to pay you. Every time you lend money, them take long to pay you, sell lend people. Why you so kind?
Why, sometimes, you know, you have to bridging them, and sometimes them show you some situations still not bad.
You want no Palmer?
Them, no?
Stop lend people your money now because you are going now. You need it and your family them need it. But when I say family, I mean like no far cousin or auntie, because the whole of them are fake, because no matter what you want, them not help you back.
True, that's true, man.
Yeah, immediate family right now. And them you need to stick to. You understand? Because next year will get harder. And what them do now, Palmer, them fling over there for a long time. You know. But you are going now, you just don't know who forgot to. You know, all long you know, so them a science you. I never try for you.
Long time, there's a portion of people tell me that, man, because even if I have a candy sometimes, and that people really work out for too long, you understand?
Peer war, peer cussing.
Yeah, man, peer war every day, man.
And them love tell us you know everything too much.
Yeah, man, and tell me about the friend thing, you know?
Alright, Palmer. You are going now, and some more things that I'm not going to talk about in certain personal business on this. So when you're ready, you can call me tomorrow, Palmer, and you're going to want a 2020 read up. Different from that now, you see, that look how cobweb the way you see it come across the face every look now and then.
Yeah, man, I'll not make care them, man.
Alright, so you know what time it is. So I remember I make the people know, so I don't know you from Adams.
More time Empire, I lock up my car, and sometimes as I go in, I be a cobweb, man.
Alright, my daddy. So what them want to know, but them not go see you crash, and them not go see you dead, because them say you're a scammer, them say you're this, them want to know your business and can't find out your business.
Yeah, man, sure.
So, I make the people in Empire know so I don't know where you live and I never see you yet because of the week.
Man, I just watch some live on chain and I say, yo, that brother you sound like him really, and I give him a call and see what go on.
Alright. And if you know so you're a private man, you don't like people know your business, but through the way you say you want to find somebody who are good.
Yeah, man,
and that's what you call me.
Yeah, man. True.
So, yeah, where you know?
Yeah, man, everything you say real, for real, man, the boss.
Alright. So, Palmer, you what more you do now?
Yeah, man.
Tonight, drink a little salt water, salt water, that is sea salt. But I don't want you just drink it because I me tell you, when you done Google what is the spiritual purpose of sea salt, because you're a good boy, so we're not going to make them get you out.
Yeah, man, you know, so a lady tell me, say, the sprinkle road my house the other day still, but don't know, through sometime, John was star.
No, them not see it, man. So that's why I tell you, say it's a spiritual boy too, but you can't find the real people who you believe in. That's why I make sure I give it to you straight.
True.
Yeah, man, I remember.
When you go on for the salt water now, just drink the salt water.
You just drink the salt water. You see that look up earthings the way you feel in your belly, and you notice how you can't get up out of your bed at morning time no matter how you go to your bed early.
Yeah, man. I always want to sleep from where you, man, for the past couple of weeks, man.
Alright, always say, yo, they have to get up. And they get up and like something holding the back of their bed. And if you're not strong, you don't come out.
Yeah, man. Sometimes me even wonder if somebody will get pregnant, I swear.
You don't breed no girl right now. And if you hear the girl tell us them breed for your jacket, because I don't see no baby in the thing new.
Oh,
yes,
really?
And here's a girl, and here's a man that love girl like, whoa, you see that girl that was smart in the girl.
I want to be a tell you the same thing that says she a breeder. That's why I feel so that's why I sleep. You know?
Nah, man. She love you half and two, she wants some money for you. She don't breed for you. Tell her say you want a DNA. If she breed for you, me have to see you. The crystal ball clear when it come on to breedings.
Alright, my boss. Alright.
Yes.
Everything is the right palm point for you still, my boss.
Yes, man. So, if you really want, you go want to sit at the table and you go want a ring, and remember, you know, you have contact, Miss right now, you have contacts like, I bet you want to go in your contacts right now. But you know, the amount of link where you have, or some E that would have half of the link so you have a go through.
Every angle, man, for real, man.
Yeah, son. So, Palmer, big up yourself when you're ready. Call me tomorrow. You go want a ring and you go want a clearance part and a Christmas will come now. So, what you have to do now, kill a one goat or kill a couple fowl and put up a little bounce about and invite some little picking and some people and make the glory come and invite the ancestors them. You understand?
Yeah, man. But with the salt water, just drink the salt water, not more.
Just drink the salt water and call for a god named Tetragrammaton. What is his name?
Go back with the name again.
Tetragrammaton. Tetragrammaton or Tetragrammaton. And the father of Jesus Christ that.
Alright. Tetragrammaton.
Yeah, yes, you remember when Jesus Christ stepped on the cross, he looked and said, Father God, my Father forgive them because they know not what they've done.
True.
Because Jesus can't forgive nobody because he don't have them power there. But the Father of Jesus Christ, who's Tetragrammaton, who them call Yahweh, and several more names with them hide.
Sure.
He's the one, and Emperor Selassie, remember Selassie is also a God, you know. And Jesus is not God to you, but Tetragrammaton is the father of them.
For real, my boss. For real.
Yeah, man. But anyway, my boss, the insect never done out to make somebody else a chance. But call me tomorrow. Yes, and you're going to need a table, you're going to need a ring.
First thing tomorrow.
Yeah. And what you do now, sprinkle something called named Kalanga water in your car. And then you're going to see the cowboy will go stop. And a thing called, I want to get the right name. It's like camphor black. Not camphor ball, no. Camphor black. You go rub it out in your hands, and you throw the dust in your car. You can all boil the water and just have it in your car or have it in your house, camphor black, and then Google, because everything what me tell you, you can go research and find out.
The camphor black different from the camphor ball, right?
Yes, camphor black is different from camphor ball. Dumping up to go with camphor black there, and dumping up to go with sea salt there. Whatever coast salt. Yes, sir?
Alright. Come here, have some cold salt in the house, same way now. Empire and the whole light just melt up in the bag ton water star.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
man,
man.
me did buy them things from the lady tell me to use it, you know.
Yes,
But I
man.
keep up the time, she'll big up yourself, my boss. We'll show you up tomorrow, you understand?
We shall have here. Remember me tell you, a long time I work for you. And then me go tell you something what for use and get out them pain out of your body, because it's a pin them up and juke you up, you know. You notice the pain go away, then it come back, then you check it gone, then it come back, then they have a time and the most.
Hey, Emperor, I don't want to keep up the time, so, but you know me there with a little cat, and one day me go in the fridge and I see a little dolly with one whole heap of pin and something, but as me take it up, she there right there. I say I want to pick them, put it in the fridge, and I see it from them time, and I wonder, you know.
Alright. So, me no want, that's why I tell you, me not to go in your business too tough. So, I'm going to talk to you after the show, because we don't want people find out what we want to find out. But as me tell you, say, that's why, at the night time, it just come back for you. And then,
yeah, man, and no matter how, man, it's like more time. John, no, I truly never know, man. They never want to talk, brother. I swear.
You talk nothing more, because some people there just want to hear your business before my pitney. So call me when you're ready, tomorrow. Yes, come. Yes, people. So, when we talk things, people, we not talk things, so, and all of who not believe, we just call me for the brave, no, man. Remember, you know, Brother Peter, he used to work for Andrew Wallace, and me used to work for Brother Peter. Yeah, come. And Andrew Wallace is now the Prime Minister.
Yeah, still here.
Yeah, me do my show and me do some things. Yeah. So, yeah, man. So what I'm telling now, people, you don't have to know how certain things state. 99% of the world people work off a thing called voodoo, magic. Alright, Miss G. Yes, sir, but you don't believe, but you can go and talk. Every Roman Catholic people, I will be them work off 100% over. 100% over. You see them do Kanye West? So if Kanye West never go study certain voodoo poor people, Kanye West never done having food long time. Yes. Alright, my queen.
I've emailed you the ID document letter, public notice letter.
Alright then. And I will talk about it tomorrow, alright? Already then. We shall have it. Greetings, Makala. Yeah, hear me?
Good night.
Turn my phone now.
Yeah.
Yeah, grand
Need a
rising.
read up.
Talk to me.
Can I
about-
get a read up?
Yes, man, before the incident burn out, incident short to the piano, talk up. Give me a name and your date of birth.
Shay, March 31st, 1998.
My name Shay.
Yeah.
Alright, my girl, Papa Jesus. Look at the crystal ball for your thing, cause your thing to stop yourself. See there? Alright, Mama. Them I give a basket for carry. Them I give a basket for carry water. You in a man problem. You understand? Girl in your life. All kind of people in your life. Dirty bad minded neighbor in your life. Everybody watch you. All eyes there for you. Them say go like you too show off. Them say go like you too bossy. Talk to me. I lie me tell?
No.
Papa Jesus. No. I don't know how them kidnap you long time, you know, cause every man who got your crutch is set good like gold. Them can't left. Them watch you like ark. Every man where you have jealous of for you, always tell them say nah, give them bone. Them still not trust you. No man can trust you. But man, always them want to trust you, them watch you. I don't know them not put magnifying glass for you. So, listen me now. Your money, you're not dead if you're hungry now. But your money game want to step up. You understand? You have a thing called family curse to follow you. Family bad blessing to follow you. Ancestral curse. What am I saying name?
Ancestral curse.
Yes. Because you go on now. You take things too easy. You don't take nothing serious. And that's your thing. You understand? And there's a girl where you're spiritual, but you don't believe in that spirituality too tough. You believe say life is just a life. You understand? Say, well, I start taking them things serious because, and like one time when me I look up picking it, and young people used to afraid for go a wobia shop. Now, by the time you got the wobia shop for go buy up me ingredients, at 200 look college pitney, young girl when you saw a hot girl, they kick off the door before me. So me have to start call the store and say, listen me, put down some highlight this and put down some powder this and put down some Dragon Ball Z for me. The people, so nowadays, and the young people, them look at new youth them. Right now about 5 gatherings left to drop off the St. Mary tomorrow. I pay a young youth and the youth them a chop hard and them do line hard. So and them want them bring some mama. Right now, you want to fix yourself because them a work for you and a long time now them a work for you. You understand? You notice no matter what you do, every time you do something fit come through, it now come through the right way. Always the planet. You notice every time, and I have to notice it, you know. All when you lock the deal and you well plan the things, it just disappear and you wonder how comes.
Yeah, a true one.
Them bad mind the moment, them don't like you, and then you see when you put on your clothes, you just clap them don't like you. You understand? You don't really have no friend, and mostly associate around you. Talk to me.
Yeah, no keep friend.
Alright. You notice sometimes your belly come like that swell and then you put it down, you have to fight to keep your belly flat.
Yeah.
You never wonder why yet?
No.
I sitting one of your own family them dropping their food long time. To shake you up. You notice your panty more time it wet up and you come like a come here come. So any man who has sex you go believe a gear give you the front.
Yo.
And you always wonder why, don't it?
Yeah.
I remember your girl will keep herself clean, so the germs you have, never them check you. I drop them drop something in your food for a long time. You understand? Say if you mash up your body, say if your girl no stay firm, and your girl will believe in a cleanliness. Talk to me.
Yeah, that's true.
So my friend, listen to me. Them want to get rid of you, plus you have a thing called family curse. If you suffer like how your mother suffer, grow up and nothing go on for the family, or you just make a look thing, but a look thing not good. Even if you make $2 million tomorrow, my girl is still broke. What am I saying, Silva?
Yeah, still broke.
Because if you buy a one car with that, not even insurance money you have. I remember say your girl will like finer things about her life. Talk to me.
Yeah, true.
That's what I talk. Then every time when they get a good man, they make it for the good man and you pop up. So then why you end up with peer riffraff? Talk to me. Although you have a man right now, no, but in your brain still tell you say not the real man that fear, but you just go and hold on because hold on, you hold on. Talk to me.
Yeah, true.
Oh, Jesus, sure, no, me know. Tell the local man, so the feel away, him just have to step up him game.
Yeah, no.
Talk to me, man. Let me tell you the stupid.
Yes, everything good, man. Everything good.
So that me tell you. You remember, you have a brown boy then, that boy that used to mind you down, used to take care of you. I don't think he really jealous. You see him just disappear.
Yeah.
Anything where you want, you could have get from him. You'd have him wrap around the little finger. So, no matter tell your friend them a secret, enough of them bad mind, them a girl and see you is a girl who love talk. Cause you talk, you talk because you're informer, you know. But your girl will just love share your joy. As your son?
Yeah.
Stop telling me your business. And even if I start help you out after you call me, no make nobody know say me help you. You understand?
Yeah.
Make them see your glory before you tell them your story. Make them do what?
Make them see my glory before I tell them the story.
Yeah, no, tell them a story, because every time you tell them a story, them cut down your glory. So make them see your glory before you make them know your story. Them bad mind, my girl. Them bad mind from a long time. Papa Jesus. You understand? So when you're ready, you call me, you go and break the ancestral curse there. You understand? And I can tell them more things, but I not want to talk it on the TV. Them say you dash your belt, but matter of fact, I don't want to talk. I want about them say about you, Papa Jesus. Anyway.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Thanks.
Big up yourself, my friend. Love you.
Alright, thanks, bye.
Yes. Boy, them give my girl basket for carry water. And a good girl of people, but them me no know them say all kind of things about her, but me no want to talk do man business on the TV, cause enough of just come here. Only for call me, only the one say they laugh like a monkey. Anyway, greetings, Queen. Greetings.
I'm here.
Oh, alright, me so call her back. Alright, me so call her back. Me up on the TV.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, people, I want my client that. Yeah, son. So, people, if you not believe in them things, the Bible tells us seek ye physician, because there is spiritual wickedness in low places. People, me is afraid of the power I got. You understand? Because through me believe in a Roman Catholic Christianity, I want to go read the Bible, people. I'm not talking about the Bible or mark made in USA or made in England. Me talk about the Bible. One mark made in Egypt. Me talk about the book and the Quran, them people. I want to say some things now, people. You have all the book, people. If you ever read that, this people. So when they get the maroon documents and people, we send certain books come give what them hide from you. Get to the maroon documents, people. Get to the sovereignty. They will teach you the people how to do the one thing, because that means you don't have to come to me all the while. You understand? We give the book that will teach you of the one thing, people. Shalom Aleika, we shall have you, Tibeshe Manisha, my queen. Make you start to be the incident.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, you're the last caller.
How are you?
I'm doing great, queen. Boy, you're skill like Maridana. You call me when the last piece of incense. Papa Jesus. Talk to me, my queen. Talk to me.
My name is Angeline, and I'm born September 18, 1956.
Angeline. All right. Angeline.
Sir.
Listen me. You want to lose a little weight. You have a big body, don't it?
Okay. Not too big.
Alright, big body little girl that likes it. Me know why you lose, me know why you come down slim enough. You just want to lose a little weight. You want to cut off piece off of the belly. Because they chat you.
Okay.
What me say them do?
Okay. Chat me.
Alright. For lose piece off of the belly, it is easily. Because the belly look a bit, I don't see a picture for you, you know. So, them can't say, I look there for your picture because they can't look, people see it here. Not a picture, nothing. Okay. You see the phone dark, people. I just looking at the crystal ball. See the people? No picture, nothing at all, the phone dark. Yeah, son. So, you want to lose a piece of the belly because you are going now, queen. After a while, you have a whole heap of pain in your belly side and them part there. You already have pain in your back already. So what them do to you start work already. How long now you have the pain there in your back?
Quite a while now.
Lick them, lick your queen, them lick your chakras. Let me tell you this. Whenever them lick your chakras, it must catch up for your back first. You hear me, queen?
Yes, sir.
Then it catch up from down in your leg them. Which one of your leg pain you? Tell the people because me no want them believe I plan my plan with them.
The left leg.
Alright. And remember, me tell you what about the woman them with the left side of the body. Alright. So queen, I clap you. Them take your kindness to weakness. You understand? And you see,
yes, sir.
You're a woman that love help people. You understand?
True.
You need to cut out with that kindness there. Them no rate you. Them just want to use it. Them been using it from long time. You understand?
Long time. Yes, true.
You always in a man problem. Because every time you get a man, no matter you're good to him. You understand? So you have a local man right now, you know. Will love you like wow, but you ever go on now. You have to tell him to step up in game. What you have to tell him for?
I don't have a man for over 5 years now.
No man, me say you have a man right now, queen. What love you?
I don't have one. I don't have one.
How much $millions you bet me now, sir? Because I see me seen the crystal ball, you know. So you have a man who love you. So, if you don't see him today, you're going to see him tomorrow. And me not miss when I tell you things, my lady. But I remember me tell you, you're always in a man problem. You understand? So they
Yes.
say you're not a man, but me tell you, say you have a man who admire you and I love you half. But what me tell you, say, though, lose the weight. Step up back your game.
Okay.
Start put on some good clothes and you're going to see him appear out of the blues. And if that not more, then you come on the show and tell the people them said the emperor a fool. Because you remember before me tell you, say you have a man I love you half, me tell you, said you have man problem. You remember me tell you?
Yes, it's true.
And you can go rewind the show and then you see what me talk. Because enough time we have a thing called secret admirer. People who watch a long time. But them know what come into you because guess what now? Things that around you what prevent you, them put it in their life, you mash up. Them put it for no man now want you. But you are going you have a man who admire you. Him love you have like cook food. You understand? And you
Yes,
ever
sir.
see him because that is your long last love, my friend. Reincarnation. So what you want?
Okay.
What you want for the, I remember, you know, if it don't work, you know, you can tell me say me that you can call about the program and tell people say lie me tell. Go down to the gym,
Yep.
watch social media, how to lose belly. Because remember you have a nice piece of body. And then what you want to wash off, you want a cleansing. You're not hungry enough, but your money game want to step up the real way. And your girl work hard, you work hard, but nothing not turn for you too tough, no matter how hard they work. Talk to me.
A truth.
You understand?
So true.
And again now, most people now, them just take your kindness and weakness, them take a for idiot. No matter how you're good to them go round you. Talk to me.
It's true.
You got your bed enough time go cry high water, don't it?
Yes.
Jesus. Sometimes you ask Father God what you do in your life. Because you don't do nobody, not nobody. You don't obey nobody. You don't bad mind people. You're just a girl who just happy and always willing to help people, but they don't want to help you, my friend.
No.
You understand? I'm going to tell you already.
Always helping people.
You see, for this era,
Always
talk to me because the phone is split up. What you say?
always helping people.
All right. So,
Yes.
you see, me going to help you out to the foot. I'm going to tell you
Okay.
what to do. You have a thing named castor oil. What name?
Castor oil.
Castor oil is a very powerful thing. Them use it not car, them use it upon ear, them use it upon everything. You get a thing called castor oil. And you go mix it with a little bit of olive oil. And then you go take a thing called peppermint. What name?
Peppermint.
Then you go read the Lord is my shepherd 5 times over it. What you go read?
Lord is my shepherd 5 times.
Then after that now, you go make somebody 9 down your leg with it. The same left leg there. And then you go see the pain by the next morning will be gone because that's spiritual you can get. You go want a bath and you go want some things. I can't tell you more things, but I not tell you on the net right now because some of them people just come for watch people. This.
Yes.
Then now, what you go do, before you go, work on the belly. Work on the sexiness back. You understand?
Okay.
Start with some squatting. Because you a long time now, you not pay yourself no mind because them put it for you just normal. No matter how you say, you can't remember, you know, you used to be a girl and know for do your thing, but from one year, you're not interested for ati or nothing like that again. You understand, my pretty friend?
Oh, you know, so it's true.
If you don't want to hear the truth, don't come on my program. If you want to hear lie, go find somebody else.
I used to dress very nice, and now I don't even feel like dressing whenever I'm going out.
Then that me tell you, man, because them a science, I remember, I told you, you know, them science a long time, and then different from that now, a thing called ancestral curse follow. It follow most of the people who are on the show here now. How think some of them now, they live in a denial. They go them a monkey instead of them call me. And as me tell you, say, all right, me go give a secret what me should even give. You have a thing named Kalanga water. What me say it name?
Kalanga water.
Just go beer with some of that. And then you see, You go see somebody appear out of the blue. I said, baby, you know, a long time me watch you, you know, bumbleclad girl, how you so hot, I get thick, girl, I thick as, yeah, but, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Go itch pan him, fling out the crutches and give him same time. I remember the emperor tell us to fling out the pump and give him.
Alright.
Because remember, you know, him a watch you from long time. Listen, man, him a watch you from long time, you know. But him know what coming, because something stop him from coming. The Kalanga water are going to work for a short time. So, after a while, him a go back. So, you need a fix up, you need a load up, if you make him stay with you. And a time you go time, you know, and yourself you free up, and you go start your exercise, and then you go see what go on. Anyway, big up yourself, my friend. Walk good. Yeah, man. I think I will say call me now. I want to read him, so I go do, you know. All right. Greetings, Carla. Greetings. Yes, family. What's up? Talk to me. Where you going? You alright?
Not really, you know, 7. Me have one pain and then I'm back. I'm one with like somebody. I try something now.
Alright. Yeah, what you have to do now? You have to wait till Thursday for call me, because see the whole of the incident them done. So them have the whole of them burn out, my friend. Sorry about that, cause you understand? The whole of them done out. The whole 7 of them done. So them have the whole 7 of them done. So but yeah, what you gonna do for me now? If a spiritual liquor get some peppermint and some olive oil and get a thing called me just tell the lady to know that's what I tell you when the incense never burn and the portal open, just see everything in the kiss. Alright, so I'm glad they did watch. Yeah, I get somebody for massage it to their back with a strong hand and just shout on tetragrammaton and read the Lord's by Shepherd of White. Until Thursday. Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, some that now you have to go to a 2020 read up. You said if I can't wait till Thursday.
Alright.
But you should call me, you say all you know, Papa G. You never call me long time, because look how long the incident they about out to me and tell all story. Till it, boy, you say all you man, Papa Jesus. Let me tell you what we're going to know from. Let me tell you, man. When you see things and you know see it real, no follow no look at you that friend them and talk about you now call because you know look embarrassed and call. Because remember, you know, if you see the amount of million here what me work for, so when some look at you that come on the program, I laugh off of them. See it how much this? A $2,000 use this, and this is for just one ring. See it Yeah, see it Me the rap. I see the blue bag here, I forgot pick up some ring from Snake Eye. And tell me see me the blue bag them and the red bag them, a ring me go pick up. So see the money the right side up for the man. Yeah, son. So when only get the read up them free, call and take them friend. I remember I said nearly 10 years now me do this. Said me I do it wrong. You know hear the dirty people them come and say, Lord gosh, you know somebody get a ring from it the world.
I know what to be honest, how we get to do about you. You know say somebody me hear a chat about you.
Yeah.
And I say you're mad man. And from then time them just start follow you and listen you and go and take in.
Alright. And now tell me my friend. Oh mad. Remember when Jesus Christ today, don't ever say my madman and nail upon cross, don't it?
But I hear you, what you say?
When Jesus Christ did there, don't them say my madman and nail upon cross, don't it? And when Marcus Garvey come and they talk to them say Marcus Garvey a madman, don't it?
Yes.
And when Emperor Selassie, the God who come back in a flesh, did come, them say my madman and say him give the lion them the meat. After the man they tell him say, yo, only take the seed them and go grow the seed them. Cause the corn and the mango tree them will go back more. They say my madman. So listen me, so when people tell us say the emperor madman, tell them say listen me, I see him so they used to say Jesus Christ mad. I remember tell us something like this. And then a sinner kill Jesus Christ. Remember I the same Christian them kill Jesus Christ. Because to Jesus Christ do something what them now do. And Jesus Christ feed the poor and the needy. Them kill Jesus Christ. And when Pilate said, listen me, I'm not busy about it. That's why Jesus Christ have a father named Tetragrammaton. What am I saying name?
Tetragrammaton.
Go Google it if I believe I lie. And then now. And I show off what I got, you know. I show me what I got. No, the emperor won over 4 bends. So a madman can won 4 bends?
No.
No, the emperor have how much charity program want to feed much poor people every day and homeless people. So can a madman feed so much poor people every week?
No, sir.
Alright. The emperor runs several business. So can a madman hold several business where going good?
No, man.
And see it here, the emperor now, with one of the greatest scientists in England named Dr. Merlin. See it here, we bring out health pill, we bring out pill where if you even have cancer, you have gonorrhea, if no matter what kind of sickness you have, 100% herbal pill where in the maroon ancestors from over 1 million years. But we do science with them and put them in and package them. So can a madman do all these things, my queen?
No, sir.
And then look here and show me show off. See it here? That piece of quartz crystal here, over $2,000 this. And the emperor have it on him desk fling down like a piece of old rock. So I don't have to talk, I'm gonna have to show you what around me. And can a madman walk with a ring of value over $3,000 and see another poor ring at $2,000 feet, and that one at $2,500 for the guard ring here. That one I know was given to me. Yeah, son. So I'm gonna come out clean every day like Jesus Christ. I'm going. I'm never a real gold. I'm never a real gold. I'm never a real gold proud of the head of $100,000. So tell the people that way tell us say the emperor mad. Wear them and wear the emperor, because you ever go on now. You see when you come to get help and them bad mind you. The man say, Lord gosh, you can't go to the mad woman there, or you can't go to the madman there. And Lord gosh, you see, everybody who for help you, them tell us I'm mad. Me go vex the sitting them burn out. Everybody just get rid of because you're a good girl, I like your energy. So, when Jesus Christ is there, I see him say about Lord gosh, you know what them? Call me emperor, you go and give them Jesus Christ. Every day you gotta feed poor people. Every day you gotta read up people. Every day you gotta help people. Stop help people. You see them bad mind. I'm say, listen me. No matter how them bad mind, I get a power to help them. So I will help them same way. Because enough people used to cuss me now. Now I say I never come to me. You understand?
Yeah, because if you do me no and all these things, if I say all of your blessings are going to get picked back from you or whatever, man, to say or whatever.
Yes, you're a good girl, you know. Listen me. What me going to do? Me going to do a table tomorrow. Call me after about 1 o'clock. While me do a table, like it's a big table me do for a virgin from Germany. So me go light a 1 candle for you. Me buy now. Call me them time then. No. Yes, son?
Alright.
In the morning, my friend. How are your name again?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, so get the olive oil, because the early was now. Get the olive oil and the peppermint, and get the what name again? The castor oil. And just mix the three of them together. And make somebody 90 back with that, but use all that little back and something. And then do the Lord is my shepherd over it and call upon tetragrammaton. And if that no work, you can't tell the people, you can't tell somebody where tell us say me a madman. Say, you know, say I'm a madman for real. You can give me something in a work. And then you can call back the program and tell them say it no work. Papa Jesus. Anyway, my cute friend. Big up yourself, I love you. I wish community you come from.
From Linstead.
Oh, big up, Lord gosh, I want to people me do things at Linstead. Big up all of my Linstead people. Big up my the barber shop down on the front there, so I'm a good friend them. I never say me make gathering for them or not like that, because I know enough people mix up. So big up all of my friends them down on the plaza down at Linstead there. We shall have it. Yeah, man. Because Linstead is a place people, and all the things me do for Linstead people. And Linstead is a nice place, people. If you never got Linstead people, please go down there. And the people them clean, down there them kind. Yeah, so you have a look at violence, every look at no one them, but also look at careless boy that people, yeah, so nobody watch them. But 99.5% of Linstead people are good place. Yeah, so and them make some good manish water down there, and them cook some good food down the people, and yeah, so and Linstead is beautiful people. Big up my Clarendon people them too. All of my people from Mobile, Top Mountain, big up on yourself. Yeah, so and big up all of my people them from the Nyankepong Maroon tribal government people. Go to the website if you want to get the maroon documents them. Big up Queen Vanessa in England. Big up one of our beautiful scientists and Doctor and Chief Minister of Health, Dr. Merlin. Big up Governor General Starkey. Big up the High Chief of Panama, High Chief Gary. Big up King Evans, you understand people, for the Bahamas, the Maroon government, so we have office in the Bahamas for people. Big up Queen Janet for Canada people, and all of the Canadian Maroon government, all of the Canadian people. We shall have it, Timoshe, Manisha, and people. Call me early when I say the insect them like no man. You understand? Big up the ancestors and people, because I have got to some spiritual work right to know people, and that have money. We shall have it. All here. All here.